Welcome back all. Let's take a quick look at Beetles Glitter Gel Polish. This glitter gel polish in Mermaid Turquoise has garnered widespread acclaim based on online ratings and user comments. With an impressive overall rating of 4.4 out of 5, customers have expressed high satisfaction with this specific shade of gel nail polish. Reviewers consistently praise the Mermaid Turquoise for its vibrant and appealing mint green glitter, contributing to a stylish and trendy nail art look. The gel polish is designed for both salon professionals and home DIY enthusiasts, providing versatility for various skill levels. The soak-off feature of the gel polish has been a positive highlight, allowing for easy removal without causing damage to the nails. Users appreciate the convenience of the gel polish being compatible with both UV and LED lamps, offering flexibility in the curing process. The 15 milliliter size of the Mermaid Turquoise gel nail polish is considered generous by many users, providing ample product for multiple applications. Additionally, the gel polish is noted for its smooth application, even coverage, and quick curing time. While individual preferences may vary, the overwhelmingly positive feedback for Beetles Glitter Gel Polish in Mermaid Turquoise suggests a well-received product. Its vibrant color, ease of use, and compatibility with various nail care routines make it a popular choice for those seeking a trendy and hassle-free nail art experience, whether at a salon or in the comfort of their own home. Looking forward to our next encounter. Take care until then.